Hello friends, today I'm going to be talking about this Good Vibes Rosehip Radiant Glow Face Serum. And look, that's exactly what I'm looking for, such Indian brand and super duper affordable face serum. And this is the top rated product from Good Vibes. So there is nothing, as you can see, I've used full pack of this serum, and now I'm going to tell you my experience and is it really worth for it or how to use it properly. And look, it has some positive sides and some negative sides too. So if you want to buy this product, then you should watch this video. So let's get start the video to try to know. So what I've done is I used it once in a day, and most of the day I used it at night. And why I used it at night, I will tell you later. So its net volume is 10 ml and it's under 200 rupees. You need a very less quantity of this product. So after cleansing your face, you need 2 to 3 drops of this product, and gently massage it by your fingertips and apply on your face, and that's it. So let's talk about its benefits and result and what it claims actually. Let's see what it claims. What it claims that maintain skin elasticity and smoothness and brighten uneven skin tone and also provide a glowing complexion. So now I will tell you my opinion. So I have to say that it's my first serum and I can see some improvement, and it's really provide a glowing skin tone and little bit of brighten your skin tone too. So as I told you before that it has some negative sides too. So let's talk about that negative sides. Number one is it doesn't provide enough hydration to your skin, and that is what I don't like about this product. And if you love hydration, then it's not for you. You have to then put some moisturizer on it, then only you can feel like your skin is plumpy like that. Number two is it doesn't get absorbed easily. Like you keep on massaging and still you feel like stickiness. It take a while to absorb. How it feel on my face is not very comfortable. It brighten your skin, maintain your smoothness on your skin, but it's not feel good anymore. So all in all, if you want to try this product, try this. It's so affordable product in India, and you can try this 10 ml version, then only you can invest that much of money in your bigger size product. I will suggest you that if you want to try, then try this 10 ml version. So that's all my experience about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. And if there anything else, then you can leave it in the comment section, and you can DM me also in Instagram. I'm super active there and I love to reply all. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.